Night meditation for deep feminine restoration. Let us begin with a prayer as this day comes to a close. Spirit, divine source, God of all creation, we come to you at the end of this day, ready to release all that we have carried. We ask for your protection as we surrender into deep sleep, for your healing as our bodies restore, and for your peace as we let go of all that happened today. Wrap us in your love as the darkness falls. Remind us that the night is sacred, that rest is holy, that we are held even as we release consciousness. May our ancestors and guides watch over us through the night. May our bodies do the deep work of restoration while we sleep. And may we wake renewed, restored, and ready to begin again. You made it through another day, beautiful soul. And now it's time to let yourself be held. It's time to let your body and spirit sink into the deep restoration that only the night can bring. The night is pure feminine energy, receptive, restorative, mysterious. Tonight, you're not here to do anything. You're here to receive, to restore, to let the darkness wrap around you. Now, let your body begin its journey into softness. Start with your face. Feel all the expressions you wore today, the smiles, the focus, the mask of having it together. Let your face go completely neutral. Let every muscle release. Soften your forehead. Let your eyebrows relax. Release any tension around your eyes. Your eyes have worked so hard today, taking in so much. Let them rest now, behind closed lids. Let your jaw go slack. Open your mouth slightly if you need to. Release any clenching, any holding, any unspoken words still trapped here. Breathe out through your mouth and let your whole face melt. Feel your neck and shoulders. This is where you carry the weight of the world. This is where you hold the tension of being responsible, of holding it together, of keeping everyone safe. Not anymore, not tonight. Gently roll your shoulders back and let them drop heavily. Feel the weight of your arms. Feel how your body is being pulled down by gravity, pulled back to the earth, back to rest, back to restoration. Let the heaviness spread. Feel it in your chest, your ribs, your lungs. Feel your breath slowing even more, becoming deeper, becoming the rhythm of sleep. Your heart has been beating all day without your help. Your lungs have been breathing without your management. Your body knows how to do this. It knows how to restore itself while you surrender into the dark. Bring your awareness to your belly. Let it be completely soft completely round, completely unguarded. In the darkness, no one can see you. In the night, you don't have to hold anything in or keep anything together. Breathe into your belly and let it rise and fall like gentle waves. Let it be loose. Let it remember that it's safe to be soft in the darkness. Now, drop down into your womb space, your sacred feminine center. This is where the deepest restoration happens. This is where your body does the work of renewal, of healing, of preparing to create again when the sun rises. Place your hands on your lower belly if you want, or just bring your awareness here. Feel the warmth, the stillness, the ancient knowing that lives within the womb space. The womb space, whether physical or energetic, is connected to the cycles of the moon, to the rhythm of the tides, to the mystery of creation itself. And right now, in the darkness of night, it's doing its holy work. It's restoring you at a cellular level. It's healing what needs healing. It's renewing your creative power for tomorrow. You don't have to do anything. Just let it happen. Just receive this deep feminine restoration. Feel your legs now. Feel how they've carried you through this entire day. Feel the weight of them sinking into whatever's beneath you. The bed, the floor, the earth. Let your thighs be heavy, your knees soft, your calves releasing, all the way down to your feet. Your feet that have held you upright, that have moved you forward, that have kept you grounded. Thank them and let them rest completely. And now, feel your whole body as one, not as separate parts, but as one organism that knows how to heal itself, restore itself, renew itself in the darkness. Your body is so wise, beautiful soul. It knows that rest is productive. It knows that the nighttime is when the real magic happens, when cells regenerate, when your nervous system recalibrates, when your spirit integrates everything you experienced today. Feel yourself sinking deeper, not just into the bed or the floor, but into the earth herself. Feel yourself being held by the Great Mother, by the feminine energy of the planet that never stops supporting you. You can let go completely here. You can release your grip on consciousness, on control, on being the one who holds it all together. The night will hold you, the darkness will restore you, the feminine will renew you. If thoughts arise about tomorrow, about what you need to do, what you need to remember, what you need to fix, just notice them like clouds passing through the night sky. Don't grab onto them. Don't follow them. Just let them drift by while you sink deeper into this restoration. You are safe in the darkness. The darkness is not something to fear. It's where all creation begins. It's the womb of the universe. It's where you return each night to be unmade and remade, to die to the day and be reborn to tomorrow. Let your breath be slow now, so deep, so effortless. Let your body take over completely. She knows how to breathe you through the night. She knows how to restore you while you sleep. As you drift towards sleep, know this: the feminine energy of the night is working on your behalf. While you rest, you are being restored at every level: physical, emotional, energetic, spiritual. You are being held by forces that love you, that support you, that want you to wake renewed. You don't have to try to sleep. You don't have to make anything happen. Just let yourself be carried into the dark, into the deep, into the restoration that is your birthright. Sweet dreams, beautiful soul. May you sink into the deepest rest. May your body restore itself completely. May you wake tomorrow renewed in every way. The night has you. The darkness holds you. The feminine restores you. I am Carlene, the modern day medicine woman. May you rest deeply, beautifully, and completely tonight.